Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your language on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Tubi, firstly go ahead and launch open your Tubi application. The homepage of Tubi application will appear on the screen. Click on My Stuff option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on Captions. Slide the slider of Captions to the right side to turn it on. Now to change language on Tubi, tap on Language option. Select the language that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change language on Tubi quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.